Good morning, friends. Happy day to all of you. There is a new monthly benefit raise, and lawmakers have agreed to provide a boost to beneficiaries. This might be worth up to $200 in financial aid. However, some Americans in several states may not be eligible to receive this stimulus money. Friends, here is the latest fourth stimulus check news. Please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the details. Friends, here's your latest fourth stimulus check news and information. Please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all the new details. Also, to say thank you for watching every day, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaways.
First of all, Republicans didn't complain when certain small businesses during the pandemic got extraordinary financial relief and without having to pay back those loans. But when some businesses needed it and other businesses didn't need it. This is the same principle. We have a country where we all benefit, where the middle and working class are doing well. This relief will be targeted to those who need it most. As I said, 90% of those who will benefit earn less than $75,000 a year. So this is not a giveaway to rich people. This is not any of the things that Republican critics have charged. Yes, those who have paid their loans back deserve to be credited. That's fantastic. That's to their credit. But that doesn't mean that those who are, for whatever reason, unable to pay back their loans, like, 1/3 of people have debt and no college.
Gas prices are down. Inflation is dropping ever so slightly. But the cost of food is going up. The price of food in America rose more in the past year than it has at any time since 1979. Inflation has driven up supermarket bills so much that in some cases, it's more economical to dine in a restaurant than it is to shop and cook. Grocery store prices have increased more steeply because they are more directly impacted by rising food costs and supply chain issues, while with restaurants, the cost of ingredients is only a small part of the bill. Spending on food stamps has increased by $53.5 billion, which is an 89% increase in the past 2 years. By comparison, that is how much the entire program cost in 2009 during the Great Recession. Spending on the SNAP program grew 88.5% from $60.3 billion in 2019 to $113.8 billion in 2021. Spending on the SNAP program had previously peaked at $79.8 billion in 2013 before declining for the next 6 years. The average monthly benefit per person increased 68%, from nearly $130 per person to $218 per person from 2019 to 2021. The federal program helps supplement the food budget of people who qualify. Emergency orders are helping some states collect more federal help. In the state of Virginia, another round of crisis EBT benefits will be released today. Officials have said a one-time summer payment of $391 per eligible student will be uploaded retroactively. The Delaware Division of Social Services will also issue emergency benefits for August to all eligible households as part of the state's ongoing response to this crisis. All households with open SNAP cases will receive at least $95 in emergency food benefits. Recently, U.S. Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm faced criticism after she said Americans being crushed by the weight of inflation can lower their energy costs by installing solar panels at a 30% discount under the Inflation Reduction Act. During an interview this week, friends, the keyword for this video is Enchanted Forest. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is enchanted forest, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Jennifer Granholm said that the Democrats' $437 billion climate and healthcare legislation will provide thousands of dollars in tax rebates for lower and middle-class Americans to weatherize their homes. The Inflation Reduction Act currently includes thousands of dollars in tax breaks and rebates for homeowners to upgrade their homes to be more energy efficient. Households with incomes below 80% of the area median can claim a rebate for the full cost of their appliance upgrades, up to a $14,000 cap, and households that fall between 80% and 150% of the area median income are eligible for the rebates of 50% of their costs. That is up to $14,000. The bill also provides a 30% tax credit for homeowners to install solar panels and other renewable energy measures. Granholm was criticized for being out of touch with Americans crushed by inflation. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that installing solar panels will save Americans a lot of money? A new OneTop website has been created to help Rhode Islanders navigate the 2022 child tax credit rebate. Rhode Island Governor Dan McKee said, the Rhode Island Division of Taxation has set up an online portal to give guidance to families in the state to take advantage of the rebate of $250 for up to 3 children. The governor also wrote in a Twitter post, "We are working every day to ensure Rhode Islanders get relief now and into the future. Child tax rebates up to $250 per child, up to 3 children, $4 million in property tax credits for seniors and adults with disabilities, and much more." Tax credit is anticipated to reach 115,000 families across Rhode Island and is available to taxpayers earning less than $100,000 or up to $200,000 for joint filers. The child tax rebate was signed into law by Governor McKee in June, and there is no application to be filled out. Checks are anticipated to be sent out beginning in October and is open to residents who claimed at least one dependent under the age of 18 as of December 31st, 2021. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this morning. Thank you so much for joining me here. Please listen for the keywords and stay tuned for the video where I'll be announcing a winner. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.